Hi everyone. Imagine if your team could stay on top of all the latest news trends without spending hours on it. They could analyze the market trends, competitor activities, and market insights without lifting a finger. This all process can be automated with our new AI-powered news assistant that will send the distribution of multiple news across the Slack channels. It will use the Perplexity AI to search the web for the latest news articles, and ChatGPT OpenAI will transform the information, summarize the whole content, and send it through Slack. So let's see how this works in Make.com. So this is our workflow, and in this workflow, we have the first module as the Slack Watch New Events. It will watch for any new messages that are coming from the Slack that your team is sending. It is based on the audio and the text news. If it's audio, it will get the file from that audio. It will use the Whisper model for OpenAI to transform that audio message into a text. Then it will generate a translation and use the Perplexity to create the chat completion and search the web about the latest news articles and the market insights. Then ChatGPT is used for summarizing and analyzing the content for your team to actually have a visual insight on that. Then we are using the Slack again to send a message back to the team where your distribution is handled perfectly. So these are the different routes that is used for either the existing knowledge base or for the new knowledge. If there is an existing knowledge inside the ChatGPT assistant, so we have given it the vector files, and if it's finding the knowledge in that, then it is getting that knowledge from the assistant and sending the message on Slack. Then it is using the Perplexity AI to monitor and research the news and get the top results and sending the message on Slack. So that's the whole system and the brief overview of what this can do for your team. It can save up to hours and make sure your team stays on top of the news results, making sure that there is better decision making in all of the decisions. So that's it for the whole workflow. With this system in place, you will see a huge shift in efficiency. Teams can now handle and access the top feed of the news and get the decision making accordingly. With this, you can expect an increase in productivity and decrease in the information overload. So, if you like this automation and you're ready to streamline your news monitoring process, get in touch with Team GrowStacks today to automate the entire process from news collection to sending personalized distribution on Slack. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.